everyone. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 9, A Tiger in the House. We read till page 60 and we are going to start from comprehension next paragraph. After first comprehension check, as Timothy grows up, he becomes less friendly and rather dangerous. जैसे जैसे Timothy grow up करता है तो less friendly हो जाता है और वो ज़्यादा dangerous हो जाता है. Grandfather decides to transfer him to the zoo. And grandfather decides that he should be transferred to the zoo because of his nature, because he becomes less friendly. 6 months later, grandfather pays Timothy a visit. When grandfather shifts him to the zoo, after 6 months, he goes there to meet Timothy. Timothy is happy to see grandfather, or is he? Timothy, now there is a question which the author is asking, is Timothy happy to see grandfather? One of these days, declared grandmother in her prophetic manner. Prophetic means predicted manner. जो future बताते हैं, predict करते हैं. तो grandmother क्या predict करती है? We are going to find Timothy sitting on Muhammad's bed and no sign of cook except his clothes and shoes. We will see Timothy sitting on cook's bed with his clothes and shoes only. It means she predicted that one day Timothy will kill cook, Muhammad the cook. Of course it never came to that. Of course means संदेह वो दिन नहीं आया. It never came to that means वो दिन नहीं आया. But when Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. जब Timothy 6 months old हुआ, when he grew a little more, then a change came over him. He grew steadily less friendly. Steadily means gradually. धीरे धीरे वो कम friendly होता गया. When out for a walk with me here is referring to the author. तो जब वो author के साथ walk के लिए जाता था, he would try to steal away to stalk a cat or someone's pet dog. वो try करता था कि वो किसी की pet cat को या dog को to stalk means follow. उसको चोरी से follow करता था. Sometimes at night we would hear frenzied cackling from the poultry house, and in the morning there would be feathers lying all over the veranda. और कभी-कभी हम रात को frenzied means loud and frantic. Cackling means chattering. It means at night Timothy went into the poultry house and killed the birds also, because the author was able to hear the cackling of the frightened birds. And in the morning there would be feathers lying all over the veranda. और सुबह वो सारे veranda में जो dead birds थे उनमें feathers देखते थे. Timothy had to be chained up more often. Now as Timothy was growing less friendly, so he had to be chained more often. उसको अब ज़्यादातर या अक्सर chain में रखना पड़ता था, बांध के रखना पड़ता था. And finally, when he began to stalk Muhammad about the house with what looked like villainous intent, grandfather decided it was time to transfer him to the zoo. अब finally जब Timothy ने to stalk means to follow, मोहम्मद जो कुक था उसको घर में फॉलो करना शुरू कर दिया with villainous intent. Villainous intent means dangerous plans. Means he had dangerous plans for the cook Muhammad, and he started to follow him at home also. At that time, grandfather decided that he should be transferred to zoo. किसको ट्रांसफर करना चाहिए? Timothy. Right. Reserving a first-class compartment for himself and Timothy, no one would share a compartment with them. Grandfather took him to Lucknow, where the zoo authorities were only too glad to receive as a gift a well-fed and fairly civilized tiger. Reserving a first-class compartment for himself and Timothy, no one would share a compartment with them. अब उसको zoo transfer करने के लिए grandfather ने एक compartment reserve करा लिया, because no passenger was ready to travel with a fully grown-up tiger. Grandfather took him to Lucknow, where the zoo authorities were only too glad to receive as a gift a well-fed and fairly civilized tiger. और जो लखनऊ में zoo authorities थे, they were quite happy to welcome a fully grown tiger, and they were expecting him to be fairly civilized, because जो wild tigers हैं, they are not civilized. quite happy and they felt Timothy was a gift for them. About 6 months later, when my grandparents were visiting relatives in Lucknow, grandfather took the opportunity of calling at the zoo to see how Timothy was getting on. So 6 months के बाद my grandparents, they had to visit the relatives and they made a call at zoo just to see Timothy that how is he getting on there, whether he is able to adjust in the zoo or not. I was not there to accompany him. Accompany means उनके साथ नहीं जा सका, but I heard all about it when I returned to Dehra. But I heard that incident when I returned back to Dehra. Arriving at the zoo, grandfather made straight for the particular cage in which Timothy had been interned. Zoo पहुंचते ही grandfather directly made straight means he went directly to that particular cage where Timothy had been interned. Interned means kept, जहाँ Timothy को रखा गया था. The tiger was there, crouched in a corner, full grown and with a magnificent striped coat. अब उस केज में टाइगर था. That tiger was fully grown up और उसकी जो coat थी that was very royal looking. Magnificent means very royal. Hello Timothy, said grandfather and put his arms through the bars of the cage. Timothy को grandfather ने hello बोला और उसको hug करने के लिए अपनी जो arms थे वो केज के bars में से cross कर हुए. The tiger approached the bars. Approached means came near. So the tiger also came near the bars and allowed grandfather to put both hands around his head. और उसने भी allow किया कि grandfather should hug him. Grandfather stroked the tiger's forehead and tickled his ears. Grandfather ने उसके forehead पे बहुत प्यार से उसको सहलाया and उसके ears पे tickling की. And whenever he growled, और जब भी वो growl करता था, growl करना मतलब गुर्राना. जब भी वो गुर्राता था, smacked him across the mouth. Smack means hit lightly. धीरे से उसके मुंह पे hit करते थे, which was his old way of keeping him quiet. And this was his old way whenever he wanted Timothy to keep quiet. What was his old way? Whenever Timothy growled, he just smacked his mouth. हल्के से उसके मुंह पे hit करते थे. And next on page 62. He licked grandfather's hands and only sprang away when a leopard in the next cage snarled at him. जो Timothy था, that tiger in the cage, he was licking grandfather's hand. वो grandfather की hand को lick कर रहा था, as if he also recognized grandfather and sprang away. Sprang away means jumped away when a leopard in the next cage snarled at him. जब next cage में जो leopard था वो टाइगर को डराने के लिए उसमें गुर्राता था. Grandfather shooed the leopard away and the tiger returned to lick his hands. और जब grandfather उसको शू करते थे, उसको अवे करते थे leopard को, फिर जो टाइगर था वापस आ जाता था grandfather की hand को लिक करने के लिए. But every now and then the leopard would rush at bars and he would slink back to his corner. पर अक्सर every now and then मतलब अक्सर बार-बार वो जो लेपर्ड था वापस आता था बार्स की तरफ और जो टाइगर था वो डर के पीछे कॉर्नर में चला जाता था अपने केज के. A number of people had gathered to watch the reunion when a keeper pushed his way through the crowd and asked grandfather what he was doing. So there were other people in the zoo also. They all gathered around the grandfather and Timothy to see how they are behaving. वो उनकी reunion को देख रहे थे. तभी जो एक जू कीपर था, he made his way, उसने अपना भीड़ में से अपना रास्ता बनाया and grandfather से पूछने के लिए कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं. I am talking to Timothy, said grandfather. Grandfather ने जू कीपर को बोला कि मैं टिमोथी से बात कर रहा हूँ. Weren't you here when I gave him to the zoo 6 months ago? क्या तुम यहाँ पे नहीं थे जब मैंने इस टाइगर को जू अथॉरिटीज को हैंड ओवर किया था 6 months ago? I haven't been here very long, said the surprised keeper. So जो zookeeper था, he was quite surprised when he said that he was not here for very long. Please continue your conversation. आप अपनी conversation को continue रखिए. But I have never been able to touch him myself. He is always very bad-tempered. Now the zookeeper is sharing his experience of tiger's behavior with grandfather. He says that this tiger has always with him, grandfather went in search of the superintendent of the zoo, but found that he had gone home early. And so, after wandering about the zoo for a little while, he returned to Timothy's cage to say goodbye. अब grandfather जो था, he wanted to discuss this matter with superintendent, but he found that the superintendent went back home that day little early. So he wandered इधर-उधर घूम के वो वापस टिमोथी के पास आया and he wanted to say goodbye to Timothy because it was beginning to get dark, क्योंकि अंधेरा हो रहा था and he had to go back. He had been stroking and slapping Timothy for about 5 minutes when he found another keeper observing him with some alarm. So he here is referring to grandfather. Grandfather जो थे, he was touching and slapping, means he was showing his love for Timothy for last 5 minutes. तभी एक zookeeper ने उन्हें observe किया with some alertness. There was another zookeeper who was quite alert and he observed grandfather loving Timothy. Grandfather recognized him as the keeper who had been there when Timothy had first come to the zoo. अब grandfather ने इस zookeeper को recognize कर लिया because the first time he came to hand over Timothy to zoo authorities, that keeper was there. You remember me, said grandfather. Grandfather ने उससे पूछा, क्या मैं तुम्हें याद हूँ? Now why don't you transfer Timothy to another cage away from this stupid leopard? Now again, grandfather's matter of concern is that Timothy should be transferred to in another cage because he was scared of leopard, and he repeats the same to that zookeeper also. But sir, stammered the keeper, it is not your tiger. Stammered means stuttered, means हकलाना. But उस zookeeper ने हकलाते हुए grandfather को बोला, it is not your tiger, ये आपका टाइगर नहीं है. I know, said grandfather. I realize he is no longer mine, but you might at least take a suggestion or two from me. अब grandfather इस चीज को किसी दूसरे तरीके से ले रहे हैं. He is thinking that now the tiger belongs to the zoo authorities because he had handed it over 6 months ago. तो वो कहते हैं, हाँ मुझे पता है that this tiger is not mine now, it belongs to the zoo authorities, but even then you can take a suggestion or two for the betterment of that tiger. I remember your tiger very well, said the keeper. He died 2 months ago. Keeper ने कहा, मैं आपके टाइगर को मुझे आपका टाइगर बहुत अच्छे से याद है. वो 2 महीने पहले मर चुका है. Died, exclaimed grandfather. Grandfather ने कहा कि वो मर चुका है. Grandfather ने explain किया कि क्या वो मर गया है. Yes sir, of pneumonia. Pneumonia क्या होता है? फीवर होता है जिसके कारण person or any animal could die. This tiger was trapped in the hills only last month and he is very dangerous. ये जो tiger जिसके पास आप खड़े हैं, he is very dangerous and we have trapped that tiger only last month and this tiger is very dangerous. Grandfather would think of nothing to say. उस time पे grandfather could not react on that thing when the zookeeper said that the tiger is dead. The tiger was still licking his arm. Tiger फिर उसकी आर्म को लिक कर रहा था with increasing relish. Relish means great enjoyment. अब there was a contradiction. The zookeeper was saying that this is not Timothy, this is not your tiger, but the tiger was behaving like Timothy and he was enjoying licking grandfather's hand. Grandfather took what seemed to him an age to withdraw his hand from the cage. Now, for grandfather, just taking his hand away from Timothy and away from the cage, he felt that it is taking ages. It means he did not want to go away, he did not want to leave that tiger. So he felt that it is taking too much time for him to withdraw his hand from the cage. With his face near the tigers, he mumbled, "Good night, Timothy," and giving the keeper a scornful look, walked briskly out of the zoo. With a face near the tigers means अपना face tiger के face के पास रख के he mumbled. Mumbled means murmured, whispered, "Good morning," and giving a tiger a scornful look. Scornful look means बहुत full of hatred, contemptuous look. And he वॉक ब्रिस्कली आउट ऑफ द जू। ब्रिस्कली मीन्स क्विकली, और वो जल्दी से जू से बाहर